I'm sure you've heard the news. Ai Universee is making waves in the marketing world. But what's all the hype about? Meet Ai Universee, the world's first multi-model AI app that combines the power of over 75 advanced AI models and LLMs. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your marketing leads. Create unlimited, undetectable, and authentic marketing content that stands out, captivates, and sells more than ever before. Here's how easy it is. Step 1. Choose your preferred AI model from our extensive library. With 75 plus options, each bringing something unique to the table, you're covered. Step 2. Enter your prompt and select your content type. Customize it with your personal touch and let our revolutionary 3C tech make your content truly one of a kind. Step 3. Tweak, compare, and convert your results. Publish fresh content across multiple platforms and watch your sales skyrocket. So, is Ai Universee the best AI tool for marketers? You bet it is. Give it a try and take your marketing to the next level. If you're a content creator looking to transform your workflow, then Ai Universee is your new best friend. Ai Universee is 100% cloud-based, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. With over 75 advanced AI models, it goes way beyond ChatGPT. Our proprietary 3C tech formula ensures you get maximum results every time. Need content in multiple languages? No problem. Customize your content like never before and publish unlimited pieces seamlessly. Store and manage all your content in one place, making it super easy to reimagine, reuse, and repurpose your creations. The simple, user-friendly interface means you can get started right away. No tech skills. Plus, we've got step-by-step video tutorials and support to guide you along the way. So why wait? Unlock unlimited potential with Ai Universee and take your content creating to the next level. Click the link below to get started today. Ready to skyrocket your business to new heights? Say hello to Ai Universee, the game changer in AI technology. Imagine creating authentic, diverse, and high-quality content in seconds. Content that doesn't just engage, but captivates your audience, boosting your sales and skyrocketing your brand reputation. With Ai Universee, you'll be at the forefront, leading your market with cutting-edge AI technology. But here's the catch, this won't last forever. If you wait, you risk missing out on the chance to dominate your market. Don't let that be you. Act now and secure your spot in the future market. Don't regret paying a higher price or worse, finding it off the market behind. So what do you wait? Transform your business with Ai Universee today.